Hello lovely students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ghalib's English School. If you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe, like and share. In today's video, I'm going to talk about life in the UK test, chapter 5 and modern thriving society. The major topic which I'm going to discuss in question and answer form today, they are the population and cities of the UK, the religious festivals of the UK, popular sports, famous sportsmen and women. So let's jump into it. Question number 1 is this statement true or false? Nearly 10% of UK population has a parent or grandparent born outside the UK. This statement is true. So if you consider UK's population, nearly 10% of the people's grandparent or parents were born outside the UK. Question number 2 is the longest distance on the mainland is from John O'Groats on the north coast of Scotland to the Land's End in the southwest corner of England is about 670 miles, 770 miles, 870 miles or 970 miles. So that is 870 miles. Question number 3 is Swansea is the famous city of England, Wales, Scotland, Northern Ireland. So Swansea is the famous city of Wales. Question number 4. What is the capital city of Northern Ireland? In United Kingdom, we have 4 countries, England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. So which one is the capital of Northern Ireland? Belfast, Cardiff, Edinburgh, or London? It's Belfast. Question number 5. Is the statement below true or false? There are many variations in language in the different parts of the UK. Is that true or false? That statement is true. English language in United Kingdom has many variations and many different accents in different parts of the UK. Even in different parts of England, we have different variations. Go to question number 6. What was the population of the UK in 1951? 30 million, 40 million, 50 million, or 60 million? So population of United Kingdom in 1951 was 50 million. Question number 7 is the statement below true or false? In the UK, longer life expectancy is due to the improved living standards and better health care. True or false? That's true. Is this statement below true or false? Women in Britain today make up about half of the workforce. Is this true or false? This statement is true. So women are working in all sectors of economy and they are making about 50% of the total population. Question number 9 is in 2011 census, 59% of people identified themselves as Muslims, Hindus, Christians, or Sikhs. So 59% people identified themselves as Christian. Question 10. By what 2 other names is the Church of England known? Is it known as the Anglican Church, the Union Church, Episcopal Church, or the Greatest Church? So we have to identify 2. Make sure you understand that. So sometimes question they ask you to identify 2 correct answers. So the first one is Anglican Church and the second one is Episcopal Church. Question number 11 is St. Andrew's Day, Scotland is celebrated on 1st March, 17th March, 23rd April or 30th of November. That's 30th of November. Correct answer. Question number 12. In Christmas meal, people traditionally eat roast chicken, roast beef, roast turkey, or fish and chips. So people eat roast turkey as their traditional meal. Question number 13. Is this statement below true or false? The 40 days before Easter are known as Lent. Is it true or false? This is true. 40 days before Easter, they are known as Lent. Question number 14. During which religious celebration do Muslims sacrifice an animal to eat? Eid al-Fitr, Ramadan, Bisakhi, or Eid al-Adha? So it's Eid al-Adha when people eat. Question number 15 is, when is Bonfire Night celebrated? 1st November, 3rd November, 5th November, or 7th November? So that's celebrated on 5th November. Question number 16 is, which is the UK's most popular sport? Cricket, football, golf, or rugby? Football is the popular sport in United Kingdom. Question 17 is the statement true or false? UK has hosted the Olympic Games on 4 occasions: 1908, 1948, 2012, and 2016. Is this statement true or false? This statement is false. United Kingdom has hosted only 3 times: 1908, 1948, and 2012. Question number 18 is, Sir Mo Farah is a British cricket player, golf player, distance runner, or football player? He is a distance runner. 19 is the most famous competition is Ashes, which is a series of test matches played between England and Australia, Bangladesh, India, or Pakistan. So these are cricket test matches played between England and Australia. Question number 20 is, St Andrews in Scotland is known as the home of which famous sport? Cricket, football, golf, or rugby? So St Andrews is known as the home of golf. Question number 21 is, which sport has a long association with royalty? Football, golf, horse racing, or tennis? So horse racing has a long association with royal family or with royalty. Question number 22 is, Sir Bradley Wiggins is a famous cricketer, cyclist, footballer, or golfer. So he is a famous cyclist. Question 23 is, the popular yearly race on Thames is between Oxford and which other university? Nottingham University, Sheffield University, Manchester University, or Cambridge University? So the correct option is Cambridge University. So Cambridge University and Oxford students, they have a yearly race on Thames, which is London's famous river. Question number 24. Where is the Europe's longest dry ski slope in the UK? In Aberdeen, Cardiff, in Edinburgh, or in Liverpool? It's in Edinburgh. So guys, I hope you liked it. If you did, give me thumbs up and thanks for watching. If you have any question, please drop them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.